Hey guys, I'm Ann7 2011 and today I'm going to do how to throw an awesome party. So, the first step to having an awesome party is to have a nicely decorated den, one that works good for partying. And you gotta have some good music too. So let's fix this music issue. Let's see. This should be good. Now you gotta look your best too. Because if you don't look like you're good at parties, people won't want to come because they're just gonna think, oh, it's gonna be boring. So, gotta look cool. I don't know. Could change up my Jamal Depot, but I like the blue. I mean, generic. And it's always good to have like a nice outfit to wear for having a party. I like the anklet. I don't know why. It just looks cute. So you gotta look like you gotta get like a good outfit going or something. I think mine works fine. Now I go to Jamal Township. Okay, so find a little bit of a clearing, and then you just advertise. This is gonna take a while. That might get people coming. Okay, I'm gonna pause it until more people come. I'll be back in a second. Once you've gotten a bunch of people, okay, I've got 8, not like a bunch, but whatever. Then come to your den. Okay, I'll be back again with more people. "13 people. It's going pretty well. Be back in a second again. 14, 17 people. Yeah. 19 people. Oh my god. 21, 24. Okay, 22 people. That's enough. I'm gonna go to my den. Now that you've got a bunch of people, you gotta know where to find them. And I know where to find them. 22 people can't be that hard. So, there's always gonna be people buy the food. And then, of course, I advertised upstairs. So that's where everybody's gonna be. Ask if they like your den. Okay, so one person likes it, what's it say? It's so cool. People really like games, especially the claw machines. So if you want to have a good party, it takes a lot of advertising, but you'll get there. Now people will leave pretty fast. So, don't be sad if like it empties out within a couple of minutes, but so this is how to throw an awesome party. I'll just record the rest of the party anyway. Probably check my inbox. Buddy me need to restart. Please buddy me. Please buddy me. Usually we cannot click each other. It's Big Den. That's this is Jamal's. Nah, screw it out. What do they look like? For God's sake, me. Can't click each other. Well, then move. What would you look like? You're a bunny. Probably left anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's always that one person that just hides somewhere. Again! No, it just glitched. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some person's like, I don't know where they are. There they are. But anyway, that's how to throw an awesome party. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more awesome videos.